CTS all-wheel drive 3.0. I'm gonna change the filter here. Filter numbers 49498. Wicks. Tie ladder. Place that guy here. We're gonna take off this panel. Gives us access to 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3, I believe. So we're gonna need a flathead, and we're gonna remove the intake tube here. But we're gonna first start off by taking that off. Alright, maybe you can see there's that 1 bolt right in there. And number 2 is right there. And number 3 actually snaked in there, right into that hole. Anyways, we're gonna use a T20 Torx. Actually, first we're gonna loosen up the tube here, intake tube, and take out a bolt. Hey. We're gonna go ahead and take off this guy right here. That's easy. We're gonna leave this. There's a connector over here. We're gonna leave it on. See how it works out. Nice and dirty. Alright. These actually 3. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Into here. Make sure they get into those holes. Let's go ahead and remove this plug in here. So, 3 tabs in there, they're good, they're secure. Let's go ahead, put that guy back on. Make sure it clicks. Put that on. So 1, 2, 3. Last but not least, this guy. Boom. Alright. Get this cover back on. Boom. Alright, and that's how you do the air filter on a 2011 Cadillac CTS all-wheel drive 3.0 liter. Subscribe, stay tuned for some Mopar stuff. More stuff coming. Check you guys later. Peace.